Today's topic is singular and plural nouns. So we're going to be discussing about these topics, singular and plural. So plural nouns are words used to indicate that typically denotes more than one person, animal, thing, or idea. When we want to talk about more than one thing, we we will use plural nouns. There are two kinds of nouns in English, regular nouns and irregular nouns. Regular nouns, these are nouns which we make them plural normally just by adding an s to the noun or by following a usual pattern which I explain later. Irregular nouns, these are nouns which don't follow the usual pattern to make them plural. These have a different plural form which I explain later. So for most of the nouns, we form the plural just by adding an s after the name. For example, one car becomes two cars. One dog becomes two dogs. One book becomes two books. So just by adding an s. But there are other rules. For example, if the word, if the noun ends in s, ch, sh, x, or z, we have to add an es. For example, one bus becomes two buses. One watch becomes two watches. One match becomes two matches, and so on. So let's continue learning about those rules. Other rules, for example, if the noun ends in f or fe, we remove the f or the fe and add ves. For example, one leaf becomes two leaves. One wolf becomes two wolves. One life becomes two lives. One knife becomes two knives, and so on. But always in English there are exceptions. For example, growth, it's the same. We just have to add an s. And cliff, the same. So, and when the noun ends in a vowel plus a y, we have to add an s. For example, they become two days, one key become two keys. When the noun ends in a consonant plus y, we remove the y, and so on.